In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a HubSpot account with ease. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to dive into HubSpot CRM implementation, ensuring your business is well positioned for success. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the HubSpot website. You'll find yourself presented with a variety of options, but for now, let's focus on getting started for free. HubSpot provides a fantastic array of tools that are perfect for businesses just beginning their CRM journey, and many of these features are available at no cost, perfectly suited to your needs. When you click Get Started for free, you'll be prompted to log in using your preferred email. Select an email that you frequently check, as HubSpot will send you important updates and communication related to your CRM account. This step is crucial, as it's the way you'll engage with HubSpot moving forward, so take a moment to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step involves a short series of questions to help HubSpot tailor its services to better suit your specific needs. The first question you'll typically encounter will ask you to choose the industry in which your business operates. This is an important decision, as HubSpot will use this selection to provide you with industry-specific resources and tools. Take your time to consider which category best fits your business, and once decided, make your selection. After you've chosen your industry, you'll notice that a series of further questions will appear. These are designed to gather a bit more information about your business's specific needs and objectives, so HubSpot can fine-tune its support and recommendations for you. Answer these questions honestly and thoughtfully, as this information will allow HubSpot to offer the most relevant services to help optimize your business processes. Once you've completed answering all the questions, congratulations! You've successfully set up your HubSpot account. At this point, you'll be well on your way to implementing a robust CRM solution for your business. With your new HubSpot account set up, you're ready to explore the multitude of features and tools available at your disposal. To wrap things up, remember that setting up your HubSpot account is only the first step in optimizing your business's customer relationship management. HubSpot offers a host of tutorials, webinars, and community resources you can utilize to make the most of your new CRM platform. And don't forget to regularly check your email for updates and tips from HubSpot that can assist you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you set up your HubSpot account without any hassle. Have a great day exploring all the benefits HubSpot has to offer, and I'll see you in the next video.